Hello, my dear students. I am Teacher Roxanj, your math teacher for today. Join with me and have fun as we go together the amazing world of mathematics. Before we go further, please prepare your self-learning module for week 8 and let's do it together, the construction of polygons. So our objective for this episode are as follows. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to define triangles and identify triangles according to angles and side. Then, define and construct triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, and regular hexagon.
So the first polygon that we are going to discuss is a triangle. A triangle, by definition, is a plane figure formed by three segments, joined at their endpoints. The segments are the sides of the triangle. A triangle has three sides, three vertices, and three angles.
So here is our example of a triangle A, B, and C. Now our sides from these figures are line segment AB, line segment BC, and line segment AC. Next, our vertices are vertices A, B, and C. The next one is our angle, angle A, angle B, and angle C.
A triangle are classified according to angle measures and side lengths. First, classification of triangles based on angle measures. We have here acute triangle, a triangle with three acute angles. And then we have right triangle, a triangle with a right angle. Next is equiangular triangle, a triangle with three acute equal angles. And lastly, we have obtuse triangle, a triangle with an obtuse angle.
So we have here an examples of a triangles that are classified according to angle measures. With these given examples and given measurements, triangle TVU and triangle TPW is an example of a right triangle because the measurements of an angle here is 90 degrees. Then triangle TWX is an example of an obtuse triangle because the measurement of the angle here is obtuse angle, which is 120 degrees. And triangle TWU is an example of an equiangular triangle because the measurements of the angles are all equal, which is 60 degrees. And lastly, we have triangle TXU is an example of an acute triangle because the triangle measurements are all acute angles, which are 35, 60, and 85 degrees.
So next, classification of triangles based on side lengths. First, we have equilateral triangle. A triangle with all sides are equal. Next is an isosceles triangle, a triangle with at least two equal sides. And another one here is an scalene triangle, a triangle with no equal sides at all.
So here is another examples of a triangles that are classified according to side length. With this given example, with the given length, triangle QXY SR is an isosceles triangle because the length of two sides are the same, which is 3. Then triangle PQS is an equilateral triangle because the length of the sides are all equal, which is 3. Then triangle PQR is a scalene triangle because all the side lengths are not equal, which is 6, 3, and 5.
And now we are going to construct a triangle. So we have here our given segment AB, and this will be our output after we are done constructing a triangle. I'm going to show you some video clips on how to construct a triangle. Just watch and follow the steps on how to do it. Triangle. So now we're going to construct a triangle with the given segment AB. So we have here our point A, and this will be our point B. So from B, with its convenient width, we have to scribe an arc above between A and B. So without changing the compass's width, we have to scribe another arc that crosses the previous arc. So this will be our point C. So from here, we have to draw a line from A to C. Then another one from B to C. So we have here our triangle A, B, C.
So that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for entering the amazing world of mathematics with me. I hope you learned something. Again, this is Teacher Roxanne saying to you all, always be math talented.